Did you know that sugar is good for a lot of things that do not involve food? I'm going to show you some great tips today to use something you have in your pantry at home. Now make sure you use sugar. This is not the time to use low-cal sweetener. First of all, if you get a beautiful bouquet of flowers, how do you keep them fresh? Really simple. You're going to take 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and you're going to take 1 tablespoon of sugar. You're going to mix that together in your vase and change it out every few days. Keeps the flowers fresh and it keeps them from getting all rotten on the stems. You'll love the way it works. Now, if you've been painting, which happened to me not long ago, and you get paint on your hands, what you can use to take it off is sugar. First, you're going to use some soap and water, wash your hands. Then take some sugar, sprinkle it on your hands, and start rubbing your hands like that. The grittiness of the sugar will remove that paint, but will not make your skin dry or peeling. It's a great way to get paint off and great for the kids too. Now, if you've got kids in sports, you know what it's like to work with grass stains, but did you know sugar can take out grass stains? You're gonna make a little paste of sugar and a little bit of water. You're gonna put that on those grass stains. Now walk away, let that soak, and soak it at least 30 minutes, but if you soak it longer, it doesn't matter. Make it convenient for you. Once it soaks, go ahead, throw that in the laundry. You've got it cleaned up and there won't be any more grass stains. Now, I want to show you a really surprising thing you can do if you're having a picnic and you don't want flies around. And this is kind of a strange one, so just stay with me. What you're going to do is take 2 cups of milk and put it into a pan. To that, you will add 3/4 cup of sugar. And to that, you will add 1/8 cup or 2 tablespoons of black pepper. You're going to bring that to a boil, let it simmer for a few minutes. Then let it cool and put it into some shallow bowls. Set those out around the yard, away from where you'll be sitting. The milk and the pepper will draw the flies in like crazy, but the stickiness of the sugar will get them stuck so they can't fly over to you. I know it sounds strange, but believe me, it works. So take a look in your pantry, pull out your sugar, and use it for some of these really easy tips. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.